Everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign Libras for the month of February 2021. And if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. I'm an energy consultant too, so if you want me to visit any business place or office place in India, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, kindly ignore the background sound, guys, because I'm at my home, so I cannot help it out. Okay, so let's check it out. What's going on for Libras? What are you going through currently in the month of February, Libras? What are you going through currently in the month of February? Okay, so you are walking away from a devil energy. You are walking away from possessiveness. You are walking away. You are detaching yourself from someone or something. Okay, you feel that there are sneaky people around you, devil energy around you. So you are walking away from that. If you want to, if you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome of the situation? If you will get away from sneaky or manipulative energy, you will be earning more. Okay, like your financial life will increase more. I think that is a karmic person who is dealing with whom you are dealing with. Okay, so move away, get away, and if that happens, then there will be improvement when it comes to money related stuff. Okay, what do you need to know about your career, relationship or health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship or health? Your healing, just be patient about it. Okay, you have to keep a lot of patience and faith at the same time, because it will improve. And for some of you are going through spiritual awakening also, a lot of realizations are happening, and third eye chakra is opening, which is very good. This is very good, guys. Okay, what do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? Okay, what do you need to do to change, to improve the situation? You are not into your own position. You are not a dominant energy. Okay, you need to reach to a certain level of positions where everyone should respect you, everyone should honor you, everyone should love you, and everyone should listen to you. Okay, so for yourself and for others, you need to reach to a highly respectable position into your workplace or into your career life. Okay, or build up a reputation where everyone will love you, or everyone will start respecting you. You will be doing that in the month of February. Okay, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Okay, so for few of the Libras might be having kid with their partners, and they if two people are into separation, Libra, so if your partner is in separation with you, they'll be coming with you or coming back into your life. Past will try to come back if you are single, or if you were into a relationship but into separation. Okay, if there is a single person, single energy Libras who are single, a new person is entering into your life. That might be your soul, that might turn as a soulmate into your life. Okay, and for the other people, other Libras, your partner feels very much in love with you. Okay, like they see that you are, they have a long-term commitment with you. Okay, so yeah, that is very beautiful. Where this relationship might be, or few of the Libras might get pregnant also, or might hear a news of pregnancy, or might think about getting pregnant. Okay, this is for feminines as well. Okay, so yeah, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going. you release a lot of sadness, depressed and stressed out energy is there for few of the Libras. I don't know why you are having sleepless nights related to something, some sort of tension. I don't know what stress is, but yeah, in February month you will be having a bit of sleepless nights and stress about a particular situation or a particular person or a relationship. Okay, what would you focus on from now onwards? What would you focus on from now onwards? What should you focus on from now onwards? You need to focus on your money related stuff, guys. Build your finances. You know, I would suggest you to, you're waiting for some sort of an offer related to money or big financial stuff, or getting a promotion into a job, or starting a new business, or starting a new job. Okay, so there is a one particular project or an opportunity which is waiting for you. Okay, it will be coming soon in next 1 or 2 months, and if that opportunity comes towards you, grab that opportunity. It will be related to money related stuff. Okay, that offer, whatever offer you are waiting for, it will be related to money related stuff. Okay, what are your hopes and fears? 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 Okay, there are few Libras who left a past behind. Okay, who think about their past a lot. Either you left someone out in the cold in the past, or they left you out in the cold with other person in the past. Okay, and that's why you think a lot about your past. Okay, you haven't moved on completely, but at the same time you get a thought about it sometimes into your head or into your heart space. Okay, yeah. What is likely to be the outcome of this situation? What is the likely outcome of this month? Outcome. Wow, you won't be trying to solve the problems or obstacles coming into the month of February. You'll be just sitting and you will be just letting go. Like, you will be doing your own work. You won't be taking the stress of everyone else around you. You'll be like, if it's happening, let it happen. I'm not going to put any more efforts. I'm not going to put any more efforts in the solving any particular problem now. I'll be sitting and relaxing. It will be here, like, this will be into the month of February. This will be your nature. um, what is the spiritual message from guardian angels? You're loving yourself, guys. In the month of February you will start loving yourself. Self love and self care will be your utmost priority. And for other of the Libras, I think there will be tension related to a third party situation. Now, third party can be in-laws, third lover, neighbors, or any third person who is interfering into your relationship, and you want to release that third party. Okay, so self love and self care is at most important for you guys in the month of February. Even if that third person is interfering into your relationship, do not think about it. Just release it. You just do your work. Okay, God will take care of everything else. Okay, sometimes there are lessons to be learned because of the third party situation or third person as well. Okay, so there you feel sometimes there is a lack of understanding into your relationship. Like someone doesn't understands you completely. That's the problem. Okay, and you also feel that a lot of compromise you do related to into a situation or into a relationship. You do a lot of compromise into a family stuff or a lot, relationship. The other person doesn't contribute as much as you do. That is what you say, or that is what you think. A lot of stress is going on into your life. You feel a lot of stress. You are very stressed out person right now in the month of February. A lot of stress you feel related to a relationship or long-term commitments. It might be family members, family people. You feel that a lot of compromise you have done or you are doing related to a family things. Okay, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, and two decisions. Okay, yeah. Just get out of, take your inner creativity outside. You have a lot of creativity into your life. Okay, just get out of it. Okay, so yeah, get out of your inner creativity. Okay, that is what I'm thinking. Universal message for you guys. I'm keeping all the three universal messages. Okay, then I'll be reading it out. In the month of February, you need to understand self-love would be utmost important for you guys. I would suggest you. Okay, and also take care of your finances in the month of, do not spend, do not do unnecessary expenses. Okay, that I want to tell you. Okay. 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 So there are universal messages which I am going to read out. There are 5 messages which I am going to read out for you guys. Okay. The first universal message is, obstacles are detours on the right direction. Whatever obstacles you are facing, that is taking you to the right direction, right universal direction which universe wants you to follow. Okay. The second universal message is, I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again. I chose love. So this time you will be choosing love. You won't be choosing fear in love. Okay. The third message is, I surrender to a power greater than me. So surrender yourself to the universe. Whatever is happening is because that God is guiding you to a correct direction in your life. Fourth universal message is, I do whatever it takes to get closer to your consciousness. So you are getting aware about the situation. A lot of realizations are happening to you. That's the thing. The next universal message is, I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. So you'll start your perception is about to change 360-degree about life, about people, about situations, about family members, about neighbors, friends. Everything is about to change completely. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.